everybody, Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting. I have another diamond painting unboxing. Let's see what we got today. Here we go, all open. There's a canvas, a little bit crumpled. Shouldn't be too bad. A little crumpling never hurt. It'll lay flat, and any little wrinkles will come out. Let me take off the elastic. Oh, trying not to throw the garbage on the floor. I wound up with such a big mess. It was not easy to clean up. Okay, so this one is Watercolor, there he is, Superman. I've been doing these watercolors, buying these watercolors. I thought it's a new style that I had, well, not new, but new to me. I hadn't bought any of them yet. It's a nice foam core. I guess a lot of the stores have decided that's the way to go, is this foam core. Let me peel it up and get this to lay flat. The adhesive was stuck to the paper, so I had to stop and rub it for a minute, and that makes the adhesive stick to the canvas again. If it's sticking to the paper, stop what you're doing. You don't want to peel up the adhesive. So this is a 30 by 40. Here you can see, I kind of like his face. I like the colors of his face. And his fist at the top is really big. I will put the image up for you so you can see what it's supposed to look like. Hopefully it'll look like that. Superman is pretty popular, so I figured this would be a fun one to do. There's going to be some oh, I ripped it. Some Superman fan out there who wants it. Let me see. I am very good at ripping this paper. I keep forgetting to go slow. Sometimes you just think you're doing it right and it all just rips up. Okay, so there's the canvas, 30 by 40. There are let me see, 24, 26, 28, 34 colors. It is full drill square. And they're, you know, real Superman colors. I see bright red, royal blue. It's hard to see because the paper's wrapped around them, but see that bright red in there? Very nice. The toolkit is a standard kit, and since it's square, they give you tweezers. It's rare that you get them with the rounds. But it's a white boat with a funnel, pink wax bags, single drill pen, and tweezers. I really like this one, the Man of Steel. And let me just take a look at the symbols and the squares. Okay, very clear symbols. They have the color behind them, which I like. Very clear. Look how clear. And it's gonna be another really busy one. It's a lot of confetti, which is where the colors are all scattered in there like confetti. Okay, that's it for this one. You have a great day and happy diamond painting. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Bye.